the data source connection pooling. Arey yaar, for this we should have to, this only value we had provided, na? Then you will think about, see, the people, what's in your mind? Your mind is, sir, we are writing the Oracle driver, we are writing the local host, we are writing the username. Then how internally it will manage? Stupid. Who's using the database? Who's using the database for storing? Programmer or not? Companies, people are using the database for storing the value or not? Company can change the database from one to another database also, na? So if the company will change it, Spring will know. Or who will know? You will know, na? That's why you are writing the configuration, na? You need a value name, Apple 50. Tomorrow, Mango 70. Who is the value? Value is with whom? With yours, na? That's why you are injecting through setter or constructor injection, right? In the same manner, the database value is also with you. But for injecting this value, you are not going to write the code. For injecting this value, stupids, injecting this value, we are writing connection con equals to driver manager. Are we writing here in this way? Driver manager dot which connection? Get connection we are writing here, get connection we are writing. Okay, now in the get connection we have to pass here username, URL and something. Are we writing these things? No. We are not going to write this. This will be taken care by whom? Connection pooling. Har cheez ISC container. Connection pooling. Right? Now see here, right now, we had provided, everybody concentrate, we had provided the set of value. Yes. Now, right now, these all set of value, who will take the help? JDBC template will take the help of which class? Data source. And data source class have all the values or not? What is the use of this value? For connecting with the database. Right or not? Yes. Now, who is using it? JDBC template. And we are using whom? JDBC template. Means right now we will become what? CEO. Right? We will become CEO. Who is JDBC template? Tell me. Who is JDBC template as per you? Arey manager bol do yaar. Obviously. And who is the data source? Team lead. Right? And who is driver manager data source? Right? Are you understanding? In the hierarchy, you can see product DEO is a class who is using JDBC template class, and JDBC template class is using the interface data source, and data source is using the interface class driver manager data source. Right or not, guys? Okay. Now everybody see these values are injected. Okay. After injecting the value, all the things will be there or not? Yes. Means right now our class is connected to the database or not? Yes. Means by writing this set of lines of code, the class will be connected to database. Then you will think, sir, connection con equal to driver manager dot get connection, he better tha, right? We are writing only one line of code. Here for connecting, we should have to write this much line of code. Then how Spring will be easy? See here. Hold on. Right now, everybody concentrate. Now we should wait. Now tell me, we have to perform some operation. Concentrate. We should have to perform. Last point, guys. We should have to perform one operation. Operation is like suppose we are writing here. Concentrate, guys. We are writing here query. Suppose here private static final. One query I am writing. Name as, everybody concentrate. The query name as SQL or query. Let's write SQL. This is the way for writing the query. Chalo. SQL query for number of product. This is the way you should have to write a variable here. Number of what, guys? Product. Okay, everybody concentrate. SQL query. Now we are writing one query because we should have to perform the operation. That's why we are writing select count of one from what is that, guys? Product. Count of one from what, guys? Product. Everybody concentrate. Now everybody see here, when we are writing here, for sending this SQL query, what we need, guys? Connection we got, na? Connection we got. The next thing, what we need? Prepared statement. Prepared statement we need. Result set. For executing iteration also while loop. Right? We should have to write all those things now. Okay. Now what we'll do, guys? Everybody concentrate. Now what we're going to do, right? For all these things, we are going to write one method. Everybody concentrate. For all those things, for all these things, we are going to write one method. Everybody concentrate. The method is somewhat like public, everybody see, public, or suppose here int, it is returning int, number of get number of product. And then inside this method, we should have to write, everybody see, inside this method, we should have to write the prepared statement. We should have to write the result set. We should have to iterate the thing. We should have to hold on and then we can return or not. Yes. Are we going to do these things? Who will do these things? JDBC template with the help of, and data source will take the help of. Perfect. That's why you are writing one method, template dot query for object, and you will pass your query, and what you are going to return, guys? Integer, na? That's why you are writing there integer dot class complete. One line of code, complete all the operation. No need of writing prepared statement, no need of writing connection, no need of writing result set, no need of iterate, no need to store. Just we are going to write which method, guys? Query for object, where we'll pass this query, and what we want to return, guys? Integer, na? That's why we are writing what? Integer dot class, and then we can write here what, guys? Then we can write here one last word, which is return. That's it. JDBC completed. Only one line of code. That's it. JDBC completed. Sir, I don't understand. That's why tomorrow in the starting only, we'll work internally on this, how query for object is working, and then we'll see the practical proof of it. Okay? And one more thing, tomorrow please bring the laptop. Like, I will not waste your time because on that day what happened, you told me to explain profile. That's why, otherwise we had completed. So tomorrow bring your laptop, because in front of me you have to do. I'm damn sure that in 50 minutes I will complete the programming, because everything is there in your head. Wait 1 minute. Everything there in your head. So please bring your laptop, each and everyone. Now last point, guys, everybody see here. Now last point. Now tell me, JDBC API has some drawback? How many drawbacks are there? Can Spring able to resolve all this drawback? How? By using JDBC template or name parameter. JDBC template or not? JDBC template is a class or interface? Okay. Now it is a class provided by whom? Spring, obviously, right? Now JDBC template will do what? It will give me all the repeated set of logic or not? Okay. Alone he will give, or it will take the help of someone? Who is the someone? Data source is the class or interface? Interface. Who will provide this interface? JDBC API. Present in which package? Java X. Why? Because of the connection pooling. Now, I need an implementation class or not? Now, who will provide the implementation class? Spring JDBC, right? Which class? Driver manager, data source. So, the product class is using JDBC. Template is using data source. Data source is using driver manager, data source. So, we should have to write all the dependency injection, and we should have to create the object now. We are going to create, or IOC container is going to create. That's why IOC container is going to create means IOC container will do it in two way, either XML or Java configuration. So right now we had created a XML approach or not, and then we had written which injection, properties injection or constructor injection or not. Yes, great. Right now we had learned all the setups needed for this thing. Why I'm telling you? Because of this setup only, you will thinking, sir, programming start kar hi nahi rahe ho. For this setup only, see how Hibernate also will go fastly. You will easily. Right now, are you worried about XML and Java configuration approach? How it will work? No, na. In the same manner, when I will go for the Hibernate, you will not worry about all the methods. That's why these 2 days, I'm injecting the things in your mind. I hope everything is clear with you guys. Tomorrow, bring your laptop, don't miss the class, we'll do the programming, right? We'll do the exact programming. Thank you everyone, you can leave then. Online people, you can leave then. Notes will be shared, don't worry, notes will be shared.